બેઝિક ગ્રામર આવડે છે? તો હવે ટાઈમ છે નેક્સ્ટ લેવલ પર જવાનું. સો લેટ્સ લર્ન 5 advanced English grammar tips. Let's start. First one, would rather plus base form. It's used to express preference or choice. Example, I would rather stay home. Remember, don't use to before verb. એક વસ્તુ કરતા બીજી પસંદ હોય તો would rather plus V1 form. Now tip number second, had better plus base verb. It's used for strong advice or warning. Example, you had better to leave now. Remember, strong advice કે warning હોય તો had better plus verb નું first form. Now number 3, used to versus be used to. Here's an advanced difference. First, used to plus base verb. આ past habit માટે use થાય છે. And be used to plus noun or verb ing. આ familiar habit માટે use થાય છે. Examples, I used to wake up late. પહેલા હું મોડા ઉઠતી હતી. I'm used to waking up early. હવે મને જલ્દી ઉઠવાની આદત છે. Friends, remember, used to shows past habit. Be plus used to shows familiar habit. Now last second tip number 4. Despite plus noun or verb ing. After despite, don't directly use a normal clause. Use a noun or verb ing. Example, despite being tired, I worked. Despite પછી noun કે verb ing use થાય. Now last and tip number 5. Wish plus verb નું third form, that means past participle. It's used to talk about a regret in the past. ભૂતકાળના પછતાવાની વાત માટે. Example, I wish I had studied harder. કાશ મેં વધારે મહેનતથી સ્ટડી કર્યું હોત તો. Friends, wish plus had plus V3 form, that means regret, પછતાવો. So friends, don't just learn English. Learn powerful structures. Follow for more easy English grammar tips. See you in the next reel.